Hi everyone, Alex here with our glow transfer, and I'm about to show you how to press one of these onto a t-shirt. Let's go. Before I show you how to press them, let's go over the specs on these transfers. So first, to find them from the home page, just go over to heat transfers, and you'll find them under screen printed heat transfers. Scroll down a little bit and then you'll find the glow transfers. Our glow-in-the-dark heat transfers are made with special ink that absorbs light and radiates luminescence in the dark. They are available in single image and gang sheets in a couple of sizes, starting from $165 with our Pro plan. You'll receive them printed on high-quality white transfer paper, and you can print them on 100% cotton, 100% polyester, and cotton and poly blends. You can view all artwork requirements on each formula's product page, and if needed, we also offer artwork services at an extra cost. Alright, now let's jump into how to press these. Start by setting your heat press's temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And you already know I'm using a 100% cotton t-shirt from Super Soft Apparel. Set your heat press's pressure to 50 to 60 psi if it's an automatic machine like the one I'm using, or 8 to 9 heavy pressure on a manual machine. You're going to press for 7 seconds. And since this transfer is hot peel, you can peel it fresh off the press. And that's it. In just a couple of minutes, you have yourself a glow-in-the-dark t-shirt.